Another blockbuster IPO for the South Korean stock market is just around the corner. The fintech company Kakao Pay will debut on the country's benchmark KOSPI on November 3rd. Before its IPO, the company took orders from institutional investors this week, and the competition was fierce. Our Eum Ji-young has more.
There has been a delay of couple months, but on November 3rd, Kakao Pay, the fintech unit of the country's most popular chat app Kakao Talk, will go public. Ahead of its IPO on South Korea's benchmark KOSPI, it had a two-day book-building session which ended on Thursday to take bids from institutional investors. According to industry watchers on Friday, the IPO price is expected to be set at 90,000 won, or around $76 per share, the high end of its proposed price range, as it is forecasted to be oversubscribed by a factor of about 2,000. An expert says the market expectation for Kakao Pay is high.
The high expectation of the market towards Kakao Pay led to a high competition rate among institutions. Kakao Pay is deemed as the platform that can further expand into various services in finance, including simplified payments. Therefore, there is a lot of interest from investors.
The 2 days of pre-orders for retail investors will take place from Monday to Tuesday next week. Until last year, shares were generally only given to those who bid large amounts, and there was a much smaller chance for those with low deposits to get any shares at all. But starting this year, the allocation method has been revised so that a certain amount of shares allotted for individual investors is distributed with an equal chance as long as they deposit the minimum amount. But for the first time in South Korean IPO history, 100% of Kakao Pay shares allotted for retail investors will be distributed with an equal chance as long as they deposit the minimum amount. The expert said competition among retail investors is expected to be high as well.
100% of Kakao Pay employees subscribed for the company's shares. Along with high competition among institutions, competition among the retail investors is expected to be high as well.
Also on the first day of bidding for retail investors, the subscription will be open until 10 p.m. for people who subscribe online from what used to close at 4 p.m. so that more people can join. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.